If you were scrambling to find sand or salt for your property this morning, you weren't alone. Several stores across the city were completely sold out of ice melt. Meanwhile, others were finding ways to bring more in.
Yesterday, as fast as I could open up the boxes, I was handing them to customers. And I would say, okay, here's your one. And they go, no, I want 3. And I said, take the whole box. And they would take the box and go. So it was incredible.
Rosemont Hardware says it sold more than 200 bags of ice melt in less than a day. But laying down the melting solution doesn't always fix the problem. So some residents looked into additional ways to protect themselves from slippery sidewalks. One option is spiked shoe covers, which provide extra grip.
There are multiple types of spikes that you can get, the ones with spikes or springs. They both do the same thing as long as it's keeping you safe and stopping you from falling and hurting your hip, especially for those older folks out there who need some safety and are concerned about brittle bones, etc.
The city of Regina sent its sanding trucks out this morning. Officials say they're doing their best to cover city roads and sidewalks. But since they go by a priority system, residential homeowners might be waiting a while.
This on the residential sidewalks, depending on what the residents do, it could be a while because they're calling for colder temperatures. So it's not likely that the ice is going to melt within the next few days. We're looking at cold temperatures into next week. So.
It's up to residents to take care of their own icy sidewalks, and that's why the city of Regina has supplied 9 sand pickup stations across Regina. Residents just have to bring their own containers. Today at noon, 2 of those pickup stations were empty, but the city says they will refill as needed. Alex Johnson, CBC News, Regina.